Beauty Squad. It's been a minute, but we are here and I am doing YouTuber Picks My Eyeshadow collab. I am back at it. Yeah, I know I took a little break just from the chaotic hot mess that's been going around my house. And it's still a little hectic, but I needed a break, so here we are. This is what it came out to be. It was Mary picked my eyeshadow this week. And we are using the Unearthly Don't Be Jelly palette. Y'all know already how much I love Unearthly. I have literally like 13 palettes from them. And the color she picked is this one right here, this, and then these two. Such a beautiful color story, really. I know I'm a little late, but it's okay. As long as we get it up. Look how pretty. Like, y'all see why I love Unearthly. So we're going to do that over here, of course. And I'm gonna take a picture of this so I could just put it up and show y'all the colors I'm using. I think I got it. I hope I got it. We'll see. So going in first with that darkest shade. If y'all do not have Mary, I do highly recommend that you go check her out. She is so amazing, so sweet, so underrated. Like, on a real note, like, all these beautiful content creators are underrated. Us smaller creators do not get recognized like we should, for sure. But, you know, it's okay. I know, like, YouTube is not like the main platform anymore. And I love YouTube because YouTube, you get to chit chat. It's a little bit longer format. Because, I'm sorry, don't get me wrong, I do enjoy my TikToks. I love doing my short form, and the transitions are so fun. And then it looks, but realistically, you cannot do an eye look in 60 seconds, 3 minutes. There's no way. And so if I want to sit here and give y'all a tutorial, I want to be able to give y'all a tutorial in the real time. Then it's going to take somebody, you know. I don't want somebody really thinking that they could go in, and I'm using that light purple, go in and really be able to create a look in that time frame, because realistically it can't be done unless you're speeding through it and you're going in with a bare butt minimum of a look. There's no way of doing your makeup in 3 minutes. I've done challenges and like even with 5 minutes it looked like a hot mess. Now again, if you're doing the bare minimum, then yeah, of course you can. Sorry if y'all hear my TV. It likes to be louder than it needs to be when I'm filming. And I don't think it's gonna reach. Yeah, it reaches. Yeah, I move some stuff. But like, yeah, it's just an unrealistic time frame. And then it makes everybody feel like, okay, well, if your content ain't under 60 seconds, I don't want to watch it, because I could go watch a whole bunch of content under 60 seconds. And that's not fair, because it takes us so long to do this. Go in with that gray shade and just brush it out over top of everything else. Very muted green, but gorgeous. Like, it just gives it that melted effect. You see how it, like, I should be getting my PR today or tomorrow. And y'all make sure, if you have not seen Renee, she did her PR unboxing. I do know Busy Beauty will be back soon. Her IG has been compromised for right now. Something's going on. It's glitching out. She's trying to fix it, but thank God that, you know, she's shut down right now with the name change and everything going on, or it would be more of a hot mess than what it is. So going in with a cut carver, P. Louise. I've got a lot of use out of this bad boy, and I've barely put a dent in it. I like to make sure there's no bulky pieces on here. I only want to take off what I want to take off. I don't want it to be cakey and then kind of, you know, ball up. Where? I always like to make sure my canvas is really nice and clean before I go in with another, you know, color or shadow base. I did prime my eyes with the Unearthlycosmetics in the shade Fair. That's a beautiful color. And then I'm going in with the Unearthlycosmetics White. And it does not have to be perfect. I'll have all that blended out in a second. Like once I go back in with that purple, I'll blend all that out. And then I like to go just a little bit higher just so I can go over with that line and make it all even. Just in case if it ain't beforehand, I make it all even afterwards. Going with that darker shade and just a tad of the light purple. Just like so. And then blending all that out. Up. There we go. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with that light purple again. Like so. I'm blending that out. So I'm going to go in with that blue shimmer first. And lay that down. Sorry. Just like that. Such a beautiful shade. And then I like green. My dog is on the bed. Y'all hear him? He's going crazy. I don't know why. He knows he's not supposed to be on the bed. That's probably why he's going crazy. Because he's like, nobody's going to keep me off. Going in with the aqua net. Just kind of marinating those two shades together. Just like so. And then I'll go over with that light purple again. And just brush it into that shimmer. Just so it's melted together. You don't have no harsh lines. I'll bring it up just a little bit more. That's the only bad thing about doing your eye look on one side and then going back and redoing it. This is the darker shade. I need to darken up that V. You gotta kind of remember exactly the steps that you went by so you can recreate the look again instead of going like step by step on each eye. I've kind of got it down because I do it so much now to try to, you know, do transitions and to speed up any videos that I do, because it's a lot easier for you to follow one eye than it is to try to follow both. So I try to make, you know, the videos a little bit quicker for you instead of having 40-minute videos, because I'm sitting here doing both eyes. I'm just going to go over this right here, make sure that's in there. And like I said, again, you got to make a match. Go over that light purple right up in here. I like to make sure all my shadows are blended really nice. And man, I have very creased eyes, hooded eyes. It likes to crease up in here, and if I don't like push that product up in there, you will see spots, and I don't want that. So it does take me a little bit, especially with something like really dark on the outer V. It's very noticeable. Pretty much done. But I do take the blue shimmer, just a tad, and run it right up under that brow bone. So remember, these are the shades that Mary picked. Or I would have used that lighter shimmer for that brow bone just to make it pop. It goes in together really nicely. I'm going to go off, do my base, probably do my eyeliner, and then come back and we'll figure out what we're going to do under this eye. So give me a second. We have like, and this is a tattoo. It says "Time waits for no one." My heart's beat February 16th, February 19th, 2016. So when Dad passed away, this is forever Daddy's girl. And I used to walk around with an old-timey stopwatch all the time. And the little baby hairs, don't want to cooperate. And then a little hourglass. It says dead inside, but caffeinated. Nice. This is texturized skin at its norm. My skin's been acting up a little bit, so it is what it is. I really do like the look. Thank you very so much for picking some beautiful colors. Don't forget Unearthly. If you have not tried them, definitely check them out. Mine from Stephanie. So blessed. So gorgeous. Anywho, I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you go follow Mary. Go down below and get the playlist. And go check out all these awesome creators because they are phenomenal. And I have been sleeping on this collab. And I do apologize for being MIA for a little bit. It has been very chaotic here. And I don't like to, I don't want to overwhelm myself with collabs and stuff and be obligated to feel like I'm letting somebody down because I can't get to it. So that's why I've been posting a lot of shorts, because it's been something else to be able to sit down and actually film and create and chit chat and hold a smile for maybe 5 seconds. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster, guys. That's for sure. And I'm still in the roller coaster, but we're getting through it. Best believe I'll manage. I don't let stuff get me down. It is very stressful. You ever hear that tale that, you know, you only get what you're able to handle? Lord. I must be one strong biatch, that's for sure. Sometimes stronger than I know. I love y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go check out Mary and everybody else in this collaboration. Sorry again for being late. But we'll see y'all in the next one.